Hello everyone, I'm your host, Mr. Alex, and welcome back to our channel, Alex Connect Global Services. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss that can change your life, the job seeker visa and the countries involved. But before we dive in, make sure to like, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your friends who might find it useful. Now, let's get started. So, what exactly is a job seeker visa? Well, it's a unique opportunity for individuals who wish to explore job opportunities in a foreign country. It allows you to enter a country legally and search for employment while you're there. The job seeker visa is a type of job search visa that allows individuals from all countries to apply for this visa without a job offer. It helps job seekers to come to the country for a designated period and search for employment. The benefits are fantastic. You get to experience a new culture, expand your horizons, and, of course, find a job that suits your skills and aspirations. It's an excellent pathway for career growth and personal development. Now, let's talk about the countries that offer job seeker visas. There are several options out there, each with its unique opportunities and requirements. Some popular choices include Austria. Austria is a beautiful country with a strong economy. The Austrian Red Card Job Seeker Visa allows individuals to stay for 6 months and search for work. It requires proof of financial means and health insurance. Germany. Germany is a great option for job seekers because it has a strong economy and a high demand for skilled workers. The German Job Seeker Visa allows you to stay in the country for up to 6 months while you look for work. It requires a recognized qualification, sufficient funds, and health insurance. Portugal. Portugal offers a job seeker visa known as the residence permit for job search, allowing individuals to stay for 6 months and search for employment. It requires proof of financial resources and health insurance. Sweden. Sweden is a Scandinavian country with a strong economy and a high standard of living. Sweden has a job seeker visa called the Job Seekers Permit, allowing individuals to stay for up to 6 months to find employment. It requires proof of financial means and health insurance. United Arab Emirates, UAE. The United Arab Emirates offers a 6-month job seeker visa for individuals seeking employment in the country. It requires sponsorship from a company or a relative who is a UAE resident. Canada. Canada's job seeker visa program is another excellent choice. With a strong job market and welcoming immigration policies, Canada offers a warm welcome to job seekers. To apply for a job seeker visa, you'll need to meet specific criteria and follow a well-defined application process. These requirements can vary from country to country, so be sure to stay subscribed to Alex Connect Global Services because in our upcoming videos, we'll be diving deeper into specific country applications for job seeker visas. Whether you're interested in Germany, Canada, Australia, or any other country, we've got you covered with detailed guides on application processes and expert insights. So there you have it, folks. A glimpse into the exciting world of job seeker visas and the countries that offer this fantastic opportunity. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more insightful content, and share it with your friends who might benefit from it. Have any questions or personal experiences to share? Leave them in the comments below, and we'll be happy to engage with you. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, keep exploring and chasing your dreams. I'm Mr. Alex, signing off.